Alright, so today I'm going to be installing some RoadShock LED pods from Harbor Freight. You get all the wiring done, and these are custom-made brackets from GoFastExplorers. I'll leave links in the description below. And pretty much I'm going to mount the brackets there, the LEDs on top, and let's get to it. These brackets do come unpainted. I had some leftover white paint. Decided to color match as best as I can. So yeah. Now that I got them on, we will do a test later at night. Alright, I'm in a dark place. They're pretty bright for what they are. Lights up pretty good. I would say overall they're worth it. This is the first time I have LED pods like this, but they're pretty good, pretty bright.